Madam Speaker, you think it is a business of Jembe, Rumbus in town here, there? Madam Speaker, this is a serious matter, and I want to thank Honorable Oluoch for bringing it. Madam Speaker, this is a matter that requires deep thoughts, Madam Speaker. Look, as a neighbor, we are dealing with insurgents from Somalia on Al-Shabaab, and every day we are having casualties. The shores of Florida is just 2 hours from Haiti, Madam Speaker, by boat. 2 hours only by boat to Florida. Why are you not helping those people? Why do you want to send Kenyans there, Madam Speaker? This one, I strongly oppose, Madam Speaker, and this matter should be brought to Parliament first for debate and ratification before any police officer leaves this country. Otherwise,
your time is up, Honorable Junet. I will indulge the majority leader, but honorable members, also remember, member for Mathare has made a general statement. So there are other avenues of bringing this issue to the floor, but I'll give the majority leader